E-HIKO vehicle-mounted hydrogen energy equipment can liberate the constraints on engine combustion efficiency. Problems such as insufficient power, slow starting spring, faltering gear shift, poor driving experience, high engine maintenance costs, and excessive exhaust. Those are regarded as common pain points of fuel vehicles. Power is regarded as the most precious soul of the car. E-HIKO vehicle-mounted hydrogen energy equipment is a new product to enhance vehicle power. It generates hydrogen through electrolyzers of pure water and then combines efficient hydrogen production technology with high-precision computer background algorithm to apply it to traditional fuel cars. E-HIKO vehicle-mounted hydrogen energy equipment can liberate the constraints on engine combustion efficiency, thus making every car glow with new vitality. When E-HIKO vehicle-mounted hydrogen energy equipment is installed in traditional fuel vehicles, it can realize the superior driving experience of sensitive starting, high-vol acceleration, and smooth shift. When the equipment is installed, you can enjoy the quality of life and have abundant power. Like a car, when the air conditioning, stereo, and refrigerator are fully on. In urban and complex road conditions, you can also enjoy the pleasure of speeding up, shifting smoothly, and driving freely. The hybrid of gasoline and hydrogen can remove carbon deposits, rejuvenate the vitality of new vehicles, avoid carbon deposits and damage the vehicle, thus saving a lot of maintenance costs for you. It can significantly reduce the emission of harmful automobile exhaust. The hybrid of gasoline and hydrogen, the upguarding of driving interest. E-HIKO. The prosperity of wisdom will help you advance every step on the road of open and clear life.